Hello dear Tanthes, I am Mrs. Ekta God with my next one video of biology for the chapter How do living organisms reproduce. In this video we are going to discuss about the important question in the form of quiz. In my previous videos already I have given the content of binary fission and multiple fission. So if you want to be very perfect in these topics, just first you watch all the videos and then you should enjoy about the quiz. So, what do you think about the quiz? Quiz means sometimes you score and sometimes you learn. So, don't be afraid with any kind of question answers because that question answers tells you about your learning state, how much you have grasped from the content. So, now let's enjoy with the first question. Your first MCQ is: fully grown parent cell is split into two halves resulting in two daughter cells with the exact DNA as the parent. यहाँ पर आपको बताना है कि एक फुली ग्रोन पेरेंट सेल है जब वो स्प्लिट हो जाती है टू डॉटर सेल्स में, जो डॉटर सेल्स एक दूसरे की एग्जैक्ट कॉपीज होती हैं जिनमें डीएनए सेम होता है। तो उनके साथ क्या कंडीशंस होती है? दे आर शोइंग द बाइनरी फिजन or the budding or the fragmentation or the vegetative reproduction. Now let's see the answer. Yes, it is binary fission. क्योंकि आपको मैंने बताया है बाइनरी फिजन में टू डॉटर सेल्स बनती हैं जो एक दूसरे की आइडेंटिकल होती हैं. That means they are making the clone of one cell into two. Next question is: all offsprings of asexual reproduction are identical. It is true or it is false? बताइए. As binary fission is a kind of asexual reproduction. Yes, it is true because as I told you about the binary fission is a asexual reproduction and it gives two similar daughter cells. So this phenomenon is very true. Next question is: bacteria reproduce asexually by a process called. अब आपको बैक्टीरिया में रिप्रोडक्शन का मेथड बताना है. इज इट रिप्लिकेशन, meiosis, mitosis or binary fission? Let's check answer. Yes, it is binary fission. So in bacteria and in all protozoans that binary fission process is present and it is a kind of asexual reproduction. Next question is: how many parents are needed for asexual reproduction? See the options: 4, 1, 9 और 100. अब आपको बताना है asexual reproduction में कितने पेरेंट्स रिक्वायर्ड है. Check your answer. So answer is 1 because asexual reproduction can completed by the one parent only. Either it can show the budding, binary fission, multiple fission, fragmentation, spore formation, vegetative propagation. Now let's see the next question. DNA begins to replicate at the origins of replication. Now you have to see this diagram, and according to this diagram, just you have to choose the step in which step the DNA is going to be replicated. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ रेप्लिकेट? जहां पर ये अपने ही जैसे सिमिलर सेल बनाने की कोशिश कर रहा है। बताइए किस स्टेप में है? स्टेप 1, 2, 3, 4 और 5। चेक योर आंसर। Yes, in step 1. So here you can see this step 1 is showing the presence of about to two nuclei. ये न्यूक्लियोइड्स हैं क्योंकि बैक्टीरिया में न्यूक्लियोइड्स प्रेजेंट होते हैं, दे आर नॉट डेवलप्ड। तो यहाँ पर हम टू आइडेंटिकल कंडीशंस देख रहे हैं न्यूक्लियोइड की। सो दैट्स व्हाई स्टेप 1 विल बी द करेक्ट आंसर। See the next question. Replication continues and the cell begins to elongate. Again, you have the same diagram, but in this diagram, you have to tell about the state of elongation. Is it a step 1, 2, 3, 4, or either 5? Check your answer. Yes, it is step 3. Here you can see that nucleides have started to separate, and after that cytoplasm also started to separate, and that elongation is also occurring in this stage only. So that step 3 is the correct answer. Your next question is, the cells separate, that means cytokinesis, into two identical daughter cells. Again, you have the same diagram. So this diagram you can learn well. Very important and easy diagram too. In step 1, 2, 3, 4 और 5. बताइए. Now check your answer. Yes, in step 5 we can see the two daughter cells. यहाँ पर ये daughter cells एक दूसरे से separate हो गई हैं. Here still they are showing the connection between two cells, but they are showing the two different daughter cells. Those are identical to each other. See the next question now. The two daughter cells formed from binary fission are identical and contain their own copy of their chromosomes, ribosomes, cell wall, etc. Option 2 are genetically unique from each other. अब आपको बाइनरी फिजन से बनी हुई टू डॉटर सेल्स के बारे में बताना है. ऑप्शन 1 इज करेक्ट और ऑप्शन 2 इज करेक्ट. Check your answer. Yes, they are identical and contain their own copy of the chromosomes, ribosomes and cell wall. वो एक दूसरे के जैसी ही हैं, लेकिन सबके पास अपना अलग अलग क्रोमोसोम है, राइबोसोम है और सेल वॉल है. See the next question. Asexual method of reproduction by binary fission is common to which of the following? Option 1, some eukaryotes, all eukaryotes, some prokaryotes, all prokaryotes. So here you have 4 options, but now you have to choose the correct option from the following. Either 1 and 2 are correct, 2 and 3 are correct, 1 and 3rd are correct, or 3rd and 4th are correct. Check your answer. Yes, C answer is correct. So यहाँ पर आपसे पूछा जा रहा है asexual method of reproduction by binary fission is common to which of the following? So some eukaryotes and some prokaryotes are having the common procedure of binary fission. So option C, first and third will be correct. Your next question is, there are various types of reproduction. The type of reproduction adopted by an organisms depend on the habitat and the morphology of the organism, morphology and physiology of the organism's habitat, physiology and genetic makeup. किसी भी ऑर्गेनिज्म का रिप्रोडक्शन इनमें से किस कंडीशंस पर डिपेंड करता है? चेक योर आंसर. Yes, the organism's habitat, physiology and genetic makeup. So here fourth option is correct. Why? What do you understand by the habitat? Habitat means the living conditions. Physiology means the structure of that particular animal or the organism. And genetic makeup. And what kind of genetic structure is present in that organism. Now let's see the next one question. From the given diagrams, select the correct ones showing stages of binary fission and in amoeba. Have you watched this diagram? Now choose the option first, second, third, fourth, second, third, fifth, second, third, or the fourth one, third. You have to choose the correct one, stages of binary fission in amoeba. Check your answer. Yes, fourth, second and third. Here this is the fourth, this is second and this is the third. These are showing the binary fission. Now let's see more about this diagram. Why it has happened? So as you know that binary fission is an asexual kind of mode of reproduction. So what happened in first stage? In amoeba, wherein replication of chromosomes. So that's why it will be the first procedure according to the diagram. In second, it is followed by inward growth of cytoplasmic membrane. जब आप सेकंड देखेंगे तो सेकंड में साइटोप्लाज्म डिवाइड होना शुरू हो जाएगा. And in third condition, towards the center to divide the cell into two daughter cells. Third condition में जो सेल है वो टू डॉटर सेल्स में डिवाइड हो रही है. So the correct answer is option second, fourth, second and third are the correct sequence. In figure 1, what you can see? Figure 1 is showing the budding which mainly take place in yeast. चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. In which type of organism asexual reproduction is seen? Unicellular, bicellular, multicellular or both A and C? So answer is both A and C. That means unicellular and multicellular organisms show the asexual reproduction. Now see the next question. This is the method by which bacteria reproduce. Fusion, binary fission, budding और द गैमेटोजेनेसिस. बताइए बैक्टीरिया में किस तरह का रिप्रोडक्शन होता है. चेक योर आंसर. Yes, it is binary fission, as I have shown you the diagram also of the fission in bacteria. Next question is, in which method of asexual reproduction the offsprings are genetically identical to the parents? Option A is amitotic division. Option B is multiple fission. Option C, division. Option D, binary fission. Check your answer. Yes, it is binary fission because they are the similar cells which are genetically identical to each other. As it is producing due to the mitotic division. Mitotic division produce the two similar cells. Your next question is, in which method pseudopodispores are formed? See your options: binary fission, multiple fission, sporulation और in budding. बताइए pseudopodospores किस में फॉर्म होते हैं? Check your answer. Yes, in multiple fission because pseudopodospores are the formation of the plasmodium. About that I have explained in my previous video as multiple fission in plasmodium. So you must watch that video also. In my next video, I will continue with the budding in yeast. So be with me, just like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get my updates. Have a nice day. Have a happy day. Bye bye.